BD Seafood Limited is a world-class processor and exporter of ethically sourced farm-raised black tiger and freshwater shrimps, strategically located in Bangladesh. Our sustainable and eco-friendly methods with state-of-the-art technology meet and exceed international standards of food safety regulations, including ISO 22000, HACCP, GMP and BRC. Bangladesh, a country blessed with exquisite natural beauty and boundless energy. The country is endowed with phenomenal geographical characteristics for the seafood industry, with a coastline of 580 kilometers and moderate salinity of adjacent water bodies. It is the perfect environment for farming of black tiger and freshwater shrimps. Shrimps farmed from Bangladesh, in particular the Delta area in Food and Agriculture Organization Zone 57.1 of the Bay of Bengal, are acclaimed for their distinctive natural aroma and succulence. A wholly owned subsidiary of BD Group, BD Seafood Limited is the largest seafood processing plant in Bangladesh, approved by US FDA and European Union. BD Seafood's factory is located in Chittagong, near the banks of Karnapuli River, within very close proximity of the country's largest seaport and the core shrimp cultivating zone of Chittagong, Bangladesh. BD Seafood operational processes incorporate truly cutting-edge technology for food safety compliance with global standards. Our strengths include the GEA Grasso refrigeration system, centrally organized chilled water supply system, ensuring cool chain at every step of processing with the latest Buco water chiller, Genecless flake ice generators, impingement tunnel freezer, IQF, and cooking machinery, DSI plate freezers, and a dedicated Waukesha captive power plant, ensuring uninterrupted energy flow for the machineries and equipment. SCADA operating system driven refrigeration units are utilized to maintain the correct temperature, conforming premium product characteristics and optimal freshness until the moment of consumption. We possess the country's first full-fledged application of the antimicrobial floors. Mother shrimps are collected from deep sea and carried into our state-of-the-art designated hatcheries. These hatcheries are operated to global standards under the supervision of renowned international experts and consultants to breed shrimp fry. Shrimp fry are delivered to farmers through oxygenated bags and further adjusted to the local environment. Shrimp fry are nurtured in aquaculture ponds, locally known as gheres, for 60 to 70 days. Majority of the aquaculture farms are extensive and supplementary feeding are usually not practiced. Once the shrimps reach maturity and of the required sizes, harvesting takes place by casting or pulling nets depending on the water current during full moon and new moon cycles, locally known as gons. Immediately after harvesting, the shrimps are hygienically kept in ice layers and carried to licensed holding depots. From there, shrimps are transported to processing plants using our own refrigerated vans, specially fitted out to ensure that the optimum temperature is maintained throughout for the highest quality of products. Shrimps are thoroughly inspected before receiving to ensure consistent physical characteristics, compliance of icing and temperature conditions, and valid basket tags and suppliers' certificates. Daily samples are collected for microbiological analysis to ensure stringent quality control. BD Seafood Limited has emerged with a mission to achieve food security by delivering safe products and service standards well beyond the norms and expectations of the industry. we focus on continuously improving the sensory qualities and safety of products to attain the complete trust of all stakeholders. Operational staff are fully trained and follow stringent procedures for hygiene and sanitation, including the use of designated uniforms, gloves, caps, and masks with gumboots. The subsequent steps of chilled water wash, grading, weighing on digital scales at the receiving section take place before transfer to the deheading room. After the raw materials are received, a running water pressure wash with treated chilled water is carried out. The shrimps are then transferred for manual deheading and production grading. All grading tables are made of stainless steel, with workers again using appropriate clothing and gloves to ensure compliance with food safety procedures. Subsequently, a pressure wash is performed to remove unsolicited bits and particles. Shrimps are then digitally weighed by strictly maintaining per unit counts. Continuous product diversification and capacity building are inherent characteristics of BD Seafood Limited. Afterwards, the products are allowed to be dressed in pans. Super chilled treated water is put into the pan for better looking block products. Dressed pans are loaded into the contact plate freezer. Depanning is achieved under running water with blocks put into marked and labeled inner cartons. After ideal freezing, the products are nurture various benefit schemes with effective training and educational programs. Emergency and periodic medical treatments along with free medical services are provided for all employees on site by both male and female doctors. Being an equal opportunity employer, 80% of our colleagues are women. As an organization, we are proactively working for the welfare of the society. Our health-conscious working conditions and daycare facilities for the children of working mothers with healthy eating cafeterias, male and female dormitories inside the factory premises are testimony of our leading global standards. In the shipment process, the products are first delivered to an ante-room. Products then go to cold rooms. Systematic storage scheme ensures optimal airflow in the cold rooms. BD Seafood's docking system, an effective approach to swift consignment management. Finally, shipment, where we maintain a prestigious portfolio of clientele around the globe and follow the highest levels of shipment standards. Strict quality and hygiene sanitation control policy has enabled us to be rated as one of the top conglomerates in Bangladesh, providing the finest freshwater and seawater shrimps to the whole world. BD Seafood products are shipped as part of the premium BD brand products across the globe and to satisfied consumers in Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Australia, and North America. The BD Seafood family cordially invites you to visit our factory where we can show you our unique capabilities and strengths that enable us to be regarded as the most advanced seafood processing establishment in Bangladesh. BD Seafood Limited. Safe, sustainable,